You ever gone that night then?
No. I thought I'd be recording this like after the fact. It's been already going for about 10 minutes. But we're in my backyard and look at the perfect view of the fireworks. So awesome. Oh, I think it finished. Oh no. My God, these mosquitoes are killing me. Oh, look at that one, how pretty. Wow, I love it. How neat is that? That's the grand finale, I'm sure.
That's the finale.
How cool was that? Wow, that's amazing. Oh my God, it feels like we're right under it. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Brought to you from my backyard. Bye.